So guys, as they say, there's no man who doesn't love eating, there's no man who doesn't love food. And if you have been to Kenya, you know there is definitely no meal without ugali. And what is with ugali without beef and skuma wiki? So let's get to this video and learn how to make. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome, karibu sana. We love visitors and thank you for joining the family. So in today's video, I actually want to try a recipe I saw on Instagram, that is at HD's kitchen. So if you guys don't know who HD is, I'll leave a picture of him right somewhere here on the screen so that you're able to see what I'm talking about. So in the recent post, he actually showed us how to prepare dry fry with greens and ugali, and that is exactly what I want to try using his method, and I hope you're going to enjoy and learn how to do this the HD's way. So yeah, thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get right into the video. Actually remembered that I did say which dry fry, so I mean the dry fry meats, that's beef, ugali and some greens, and that is what I'm going to try out using just a small amount of meats, yeah, because it's for only one person. So let's go. So guys, the first thing you do is you heat your oil, as you can see. So for me, I'm just using a normal sufuria. So the oil is there, and then my sufuria. Have your oil over there. Then the next thing is to add the onion. Just a little bit of the onion, because you're going to add other onions later. The next thing is to add your garlic and some ginger. My meat, and also add the meat inside here. Then you let it cook with its moisture for a while so after a couple of minutes you add in the water. And you just cover it and let it cook. Guys, my greens are ready. Guys, my food is ready. I don't have a big plate. It is it looks so good. So let me just wash my hands and then we taste this food. Yeah. So here it is. guys, you should try this recipe. This is so good. So let me enjoy the rest of it as we watch. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I quickly just wanted to take you through my breakout journey. As if you can remember my last video, that is exactly 1 week ago, I told you guys that I had a terrible outbreak, a really terrible outbreak, and that made me to like open my eyes on wanting to get some of the products that can help me reduce the breakouts. So I told you earlier or last week that I bought a certain product that I wanted to use, and it's been exactly, I think, 1 week since I started using the product, and so far I can say it has yes, the breakout is not yet that gone, but it has at least helped like suppress the outbreak, if I may say that. So I wanted to show you the product. So I normally use the Luron that I showed you earlier, this one in the other video. This Luron vanishing day cream, I apply it in the morning, so throughout the day I normally have the Luron. So actually this is me after, like right now it's around 5, and I'm just from doing my stuff outside, and in the morning I applied only the Luron, this Luron day cream, and as you can see the breakout is not that much, so I can say it has actually helped to reduce the breakouts to some extent. Then some time back when I was in campus, there was the Luron pimple cream that I used to use on a daily basis, so I just remembered it and I decided to go back to the Luron pimple cream. Yeah, so the Luron pimple cream, so it's just like this. Yeah, so this Luron pimple cream, so at the start of this week I decided to try. I normally use this Luron pimple cream at night, so I just wash my face, then apply the Garnier charcoal mask for a few minutes. Then after that I wash it off, then I apply the Luron pimple cream overnight. So the whole night I stay with this on my face. Then in the morning I just cleanse my face using normal soap and water, and then I apply this, the Luron vanishing day cream for my day, and I can say I can see some improvements as per se. So yeah, so I just wanted to feed you guys on my journey with Luron products. Yeah, so let me just continue using it, and maybe after a month is when now I can confidently say how the results turn out. So thank you for watching. That was it for this video.